Hello guys! Today we have a tear down and clean of my old Mercedes remote control. In the video, I'll go through how to do a battery change as well. So let's have a 360 look at this really worn out, dirty controller. 3 buttons, lock, unlock, and the release of the boot. You can see the conditions. The black portion is filled with gunk. The silvery part is made of a stainless steel. This remote is quite sturdy and a bit heavy as well. This button here, right, is spring loaded. You need to release it before you can pull out the key. So for this key is shaped like a hook. It has its other functions as well. In case the battery goes flat, you can use this key to open up the door. Okay, I'm pointing to this area where you can use the hook part of the key to release the battery compartment. From this orientation, you can see solid in. You don't need too much force just to release the catch, and you need to have some fingernails to release the battery compartment. In between the black and the steel part, there's this line there. Stick something thin inside, like a fingernail, and pull at the same time. For the first time, it might be a bit difficult because the plastic and the metal is really well made, and it fits like a glove. So you can see here, I didn't have batteries in, but later on, the battery should be CR2025, 2 pieces, 3-volt lithium. So from here, you'll be able to see the PCB board and this white color plastic part. So you can use the key to try hooking it out as well. It takes a while because the tolerances are quite tight. The board should slide off easily. So it's maintained by this clip on the underside. A very clean board, and you can see all the gunk accumulating on the seams. So looking at the board, we have some IC transistors, IR blaster, and this copperish thing, I'm not sure what is it, maybe an amplifier. So the back, these are buttons. So for the white plastic part, you can remove it to ease your cleaning. And yeah, the battery compartment is quite straightforward. The contact points, later on we'll clean it a bit. Applying some contact cleaner, I'm gonna give it a good scrub, removing any flux residue, some dirt. But off screen, I'll use a hair dryer to dry out any remaining contact cleaner. At times, I find it's quite therapeutic in cleaning these electronic components, and when you fire it up, it works like new. Moving into assembly of the remote control is quite straightforward. These 3 buttons should be on the same side as the buttons on the case. You just need to slot it in and it should find its way in. You should hear a click sound when the plastic part engages. Then replacing the batteries. You can see the 4 contact point will go onto the contact point as well. Slide in, a very solid click sound. So from the camera, I won't be able to catch the sensor lighting up. There should be a red light there. Sliding back the key, yep, that will be all. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. To be informed of upcoming videos, please smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Till the next one, this is Restore Refurb Works.